This is the Unity Hybrid Detective Placard by Safe Life Defense. It's extremely versatile. In this pouch, you're able to hold radios. You can even fit 2 AR mags in there. In the center pouch, you can fit a notebook, you can fit handcuffs, you can fit whatever other sort of gear you'd like in there. What's really cool about this as well is that it's built with a reinforced lower area that allows you to lift this up without actually having to grab it. Super, super nice if you're wearing gloves. We have another pouch over here that's great for OC spray, handgun magazine, flashlight, multi-tool, whatever you want. And then you have another one on the left that's great for batons, flashlights, and anything else that'll fit in it. This placard also has a couple other cool features. Now, up here you'll notice a few rows of laser cut MOLLE. People love to install their body cams there. And then we also have something that is very unique to our placards that use elastic. In the sides, you'll notice that there's actually a bit of a rigid reinforcement that's a curved material. Now, you're able to actually bend and curl this at the side. And the reason for that is that most placards that are loaded up with gear end up lifting at the corner and can get caught. By bending that and bending that reinforcement strip, that will never happen to you. It's the small details that matter. To install this, it's quick and easy. This is going to install on zone B of your vest. That is the front lower area. On the back, you'll notice that it has 4 tabs. Now, on these tabs, the farthest most left always includes your model. That is the detective. It also includes the zone in which it'll be installed, B, and your size. If you need help determining what size placard fits your vest, you can reference this simple chart. It's nice and easy. And on the right, you'll notice the US flag because we proudly make this 100% in the USA, and we always will do that. To install this, we're going to end up taking each of these tabs and inserting them through the Unity mounting slots. What I like to do, get the tabs through just a bit, just enough to have the base come out that bottom portion. The reason for that is that if you pull these all the way through, you'll kind of have the placard at a really aggressive angle, and it just makes it a bit more difficult. I like making things nice and easy. Once you have all 4 of those tabs in place, we're just going to pull these and make them nice and snug. You don't have to pull too hard. We're just getting them to the point that they stop. Once they are there, what I like to do is back it out just a hair. And what that does is it alleviates a bit of pressure that you might have built up. Here's a good example. That just makes it look a bit better cosmetically. The base of the tabs are going to go into the lower slots, and that ensures that we have full Velcro coverage. That way, when we take this placard, pull it down, and get it secured, this is something that will stay here for many years to come, but only if you want it to. You can replace this with any other placard for the Unity Hybrid system at any time. You're just going to remove those tabs and redo that process. This is the Unity Hybrid Detective Placard by Safe Life Defense.